Hey everybody, my name's Richard, and today we're looking at these great buckle slides from Bastian Gray Label. Now these are made out of a distressed leather material throughout that strap you see here on top. It's got that really nice crisscross design with the buckle there on the side, so it's really gonna lock your foot into place. It's got a leather lined interior too, with that footbed down there, as well as the inside of those straps, with a jute rope footbed and midsole, which gives you that awesome style. Stylish and really comfortable. It's from Bastian Gray Label.